Imagine trying to play a piano where several keys are out of place. It doesn't matter how skilled you are, the melody comes out distorted. Even Beethoven would struggle with that. Now, instead of a piano, imagine it's the instrument we all use every day, our mouths. When our teeth and jaws are misaligned, distorted speech happens. And that's the reality of millions of people in the United States who live with jaw disproportions. These disproportions not only affect how people look, they also affect how they live. And that's because they affect their chewing, breathing, causes jaw joint problems, pain, and as if the list is not long enough, they cause severe speech distortions. So much so that for every 3 patients who seek us for jaw surgery, for one of them, their main concern is how distorted they sound. And that is because these distortions are affecting the way other people look at them, they're affecting how they look at themselves, and they're greatly impacting their quality of life. Now, what we do is that with these disproportions, in the JPROX lab, we try to challenge a common misconception, is that insurance companies still label jaw surgery as a cosmetic procedure, meaning it's only fixing appearance, not function. But we challenge that miscommunication. By studying over 440 patients in our lab and comparing them with hundreds of people who have perfectly proportionate jaws, we wanted to see the effects of jaw surgery on speech and other functions. And what we see here is encouraging. We see that before surgery, our patients are extremely distorted. But by 6 months and 12 months after surgery, their speech distortions are gone. Their speech is now normal, just like the speech of those people who have perfectly proportionate jaws to begin with. And what we see here is that just like aligning piano key brings back harmony, aligning these people's teeth and jaws is restoring their communication. And the benefits go beyond speech. They chew better, they feel better about themselves, they can speak better as well, and they feel better, their quality of life is much better. So my research goal is very simple. It's to show that jaw surgery isn't about vanity, it's about vitality. Because when we help people eat better, speak better, and feel better about themselves, we're not just fixing their appearance, we're restoring their voice, their health, and their confidence to go out and share their perfect and undistorted song with the world. Thank you.